education is often described as the great equalizer. It's the pathway to opportunity, growth, and a better future. But in Indonesia today, for too many children from low-income families, education remains an incredible promise. Let's look at the data. It tells a story of gap in access, quality, outcome. As of recent data, around 57% of Indonesia are officially classified as poor. That's about 24 million people. In addition, about 31 million are living in extreme poverty, with daily expenses below approximately 10,000 rupiah. When it comes to schooling participation for children aged 7 until 12, primary school participation is very high, near universal, but as they get older, especially in the 16 until 18 age bracket, upper secondary school participation falls separately. This figure shows that while basic education reaches many, there is a significant fall off in accessing higher level of education, especially for children in poverty or remote regions.
What are the obstacles faced by poor children? Financial barriers. Even when primary school is nominally free, there are costs from uniform, books, transport, extracurriculars, fees. For many families, their debts are prohibitive. Infrastructure and geographical barriers. In remote areas or on small islands, school might be far away. Route.
The consequences are severe. Without completing higher level of education, many are limited in job prospects, often confined to low-wage, informal or manual labor roles. Economic inequality persists and deepens for those unable to access quality secondary or higher education. Escaping poverty becomes much harder, perpetuating intergenerational cycles. Social inequality. Regions that are remote, poor, or marginalized lag behind in human development indices, help social mobility. National development. Serve as a country, Indonesia needs an educated workforce for innovation, competitiveness, and sustainable growth. When many are left behind, the whole society loses out. Visual turn to hopeful solution orange image. Conceptual animation of educate. But there is a promising way forward, a solution that can help reduce some of the most stubborn barriers. Educate. Educate is a hybrid educational resource, a physical book integrated with QR codes that link to video lessons, interactive practice questions, supplemental materials where possible. The idea is the combine to durability and familiarity of printed books, which don't require continuous internet, with digital content that enhance learning when accessible.
Here's how Educate helps tackle the problem we mentioned. Problem: how Educate helps. Financial barriers, cost of many textbooks, internet data. Educate's readers need for many print books, minimal data required for streaming or downloading videos. Users can use the physical books. Geographic or infrastructure barriers with QR codes. Lesson can be downloaded or viewed offline in some cases. The physical book is portable, help reach remote learnings. Quality of material and teaching. Educate videos ensure consistent quality of explanation. Practice question reinforced learning. Teachers can direct students to use specific educate models. Digital divide even with a basic smartphone or shared device. Children can access the video content. Educate those require continuous high bandwidth. Dropout and motivation educate interactive. Multimedia content can be more engaging. Practice and feedback help learners stay on track. Can be used both in the school and at home.
Now, the potential benefits are substantial, such as increased retention through secondary and possibly into higher education among poor students, narrowing the achievement gap between urban versus rural, rich versus poor, empowering students to learn independently even outside of school hours, and better preparedness for future learning and work so students have stronger foundational knowledge. Long-term, stronger human capital which contributes to economic growth, social mobility, and less inequality. Every child in Indonesia deserves a fair chance. Access on education should not depend on how much money a family has or whether you live in a remote village or a big city. Educate offers a practical, scalable way to bring education closer to those who most need it. So let us commit, government, communities, educators, and also innovators to make sure that no child is left behind. Let us build a future where every Indonesian child can learn, grow, and succeed. Because when we educate one child, we only uplift a family. But if we educate many, we can uplift a nation. Educate, bridging the gap, opening doors, and transforming futures.